emergency message from the New Mexico Department of Homeland Security and Emergency Management, County Emergency Management, and Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 8:58 a.m., Mountain Standard Time, a nuclear incident of unknown origin and scale has occurred in the vicinity of the Black Mesa Research Facility in northwest New Mexico. Immediate action is required to ensure public safety. Effective immediately, residents in the following areas must evacuate immediately: Farmington, Aztec, Bloomfield, Kirtland, Shiprock, Cuba, and Gallup. Navajo Nation communities of Tehachapi, Newcomb, Red Valley, and Mexican Water may also be affected. As you prepare to evacuate to your nearest military checkpoint, take only the essentials. Gather any necessary medications you or your family may need for the next several days. Bring identification documents, like your driver's license or other forms of ID, and changes of basic clothing. Bring a radio and spare batteries. Tune your radios to AM 770 or FM 88.9 for continuous updates and emergency instructions. You can also listen to the NOAA weather radio on frequency 162.400 MHz for official alerts and safety information related to the incident. Stay tuned for further instructions as the situation develops.